Okay, so I decided to treat myself and I'm getting my nails done tonight. Is it almost 10 o'clock? Oh, it's actually past 10 o'clock. Yes, it is. But I scheduled a nail appointment with this nail tech. She's local and she was willing to do my nails this late, so she's on her way here now. I'm so excited because I deserve this. She's kind of a big deal too. She does like all the celebrities' nails and everything. She's the real deal. It's me. Did you guys think? Did you know where I was going with that? Anyway. I don't really have much in my house right now. This is the only nail polish I have in my house right now. So we're going to use this. The color is Rumors. And this is just a top coat. I don't even have a base coat right now. So we're going with that. I kind of wish this was like a darker. Oh, it actually does look darker out of the bottle. Wish it was like a little bit darker of a cranberry. Okay. Anyway, so what's the 411, what's going on recently? Have y'all seen about that crumble cookie pop-up in Australia? It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Oh, another question actually for y'all. I was chatting with a bunch of y'all in the comments of a video a couple weeks ago because I was watching that show, The Perfect Couple, and a lot of you guys were saying if I like that, there's another one very similar, and y'all were saying it's better. I don't remember the name though. And I don't remember which video we were talking about this on because I was looking and I can't find it. So, you know the show The Perfect Couple? Okay. Well, if you know of one, because here's what I did. I went on Netflix and I clicked on it, and usually it'll tell you like different shows or movies that are similar, you know? And none of them were the one that you guys were telling me about because I'm pretty sure it had the word couple in it, maybe? I don't know. I also searched under that and I just couldn't find it. I know how I feel about this. It definitely is gonna need a second coat. I like red nails, but it's not quite like dark enough. I feel like this needs to be like more cranberry, you know, but maybe after the second coat, it'll be better. Anywho, I should have gotten some more nail polish. I was actually not far from an Ulta and a Sephora earlier, because I had to go and get another container for my sourdough starter, another jar. And I also wanted to get a container for my flour because I had it in one of my Tupperware and I wanted to be able to use my Tupperware for my food again. Flour is food, but you know what I mean. Like I wanted to be able to use it in my fridge and stuff. So it was time that I got a nice big bin, and I even got like a little shovel because it'll just be easier to scoop out the flour. Because I've been going through so much flour recently. Although I did see that I can get that King Arthur bread flour at BJ's. I can get it in bulk. So I'm thinking that I'm going to do that. Because even the other day when I went to my grocery store, all the bread flour, there was only 2 bags left. And I got them because I was out. I was completely out. And I'm going through like a 5-pound bag a week. So. Anywho. All right, I'm gonna do my other hand. My other hand never comes as cute because obviously I'm right-handed. So my right hand, I used to be really good at painting my own nails. I can do the dip well because that doesn't take as much, I don't know. I just feel like the dip is easier to do actually than regular polish. What was I saying? Where was I going with that? Oh, I used to be really good at painting my nails, like with regular polish. When I was younger, I had like all the little tools and I would do designs and stuff. I always had like zebra or cheetah nails because I was like really big back when I was in middle school. Many moons ago. Where was I going with that? Oh, my hand's just not as steady anymore, you know? Like my hand is like shaking a little bit. If y'all can see that. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I still got it. Okay, I just finished. The only thing about this is this isn't like a quick drying top coat. I usually use a quick drying top coat. But again, so I'm going to have Carl put together my pump for me because... Anyways, how do y'all think I did? I think I did really good. All right. I forget what I was gonna say, but I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yes, I've got some pimples. There's a visitor coming. staying for a week. She comes every month. She's making a comeback. And yeah, I get some pimples. I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.